Good morning friends. Today we are going to discuss about aldehydes and ketones. So what is aldehydes and ketones? Before going to the aldehydes and ketones are collectively called carbonyl compounds. These are called carbonyl compounds. These are collectively called carbonyl compounds. Then what is carbonyl compound? The carbonyl compound means the compound the compound which contain which contain carbonyl group. The compound which contain carbonyl group. That carbonyl group means C double bond O. This is our carbonyl group. The compound which contain carbonyl group are called carbonyl compounds. Are called carbonyl compound. Here this is our carbonyl group. This is called carbonyl group, and which the compound which are contain this carbonyl group are called carbonyl compounds. Here the aldehydes and ketones are the example of carbonyl compound. Okay. Here then what is aldehyde? In aldehyde, what is aldehyde? Aldehyde means to carbonyl compound. This is our carbonyl group. If the carbonyl to the carbonyl group, the remaining two valency of carbonyl group is occupied by either hydrogen or any alkyl group or any alkyl group to one of the valency of the carbonyl group, then it is called aldehyde. For example, this is our aldehyde, or it may be attached to the one side, it is attached to the alkyl group and another valency is occupied by the hydrogen. These are called aldehydes. Okay, this is the aldehyde. In aldehyde, the carbonyl group attached to either both the valency are occupied by the hydrogens, or it may be occupied by the one by the alkyl group or aryl group, or another valence is occupied by the hydrogen. These are called aldehydes. And in ketones, here ketone means in this ketone, in carbonyl group, both the valency are occupied by the alkyl group or aryl group. Okay, in ketone, the carbonyl both the valency are occupied by the either it may be alkyl group or it may be aryl group. Such compounds are called ketone. Okay, again ketones are classified into two types. Ketones are again classified into two types. Which are those? Simple ketone. These are again classified into two types, simple ketones, and another one is mixed ketone. Simple ketone and mixed ketone. In simple ketone, the carbonyl group, this is our carbonyl group, this carbonyl group attached to the similar alkyl or aryl group. It may be both side, it contain CH group. This is our carbonyl group, and this carbonyl group attached to the 2-methyl group, then it is called simple ketone. Okay, and in mixed ketone, this is our carbonyl group. This carbonyl group, the both the valency are occupied by the different alkyl or aryl group. This is the mixed ketone. In mixed ketone, the carbonyl group, this is our carbonyl group, and in this one valence is occupied by the methyl group and another valence is occupied by the ethyl group, then it is called mixed ketone. This is the classification of ketone. In aldehyde and ketone are collectively called carbonyl compounds. Carbonyl compound means the compound which contain carbonyl group is called carbonyl compound, and aldehydes and ketones are the example of carbonyl compound. In this, aldehyde means in which carbonyl group attached to the either hydrogen or one hydrogen alkyl or aryl group, these are called aldehydes. And ketone means the compound in which carbonyl group is attached to the both the valency are occupied by the alkyl or aryl group are called ketones. Okay. Again, ketones are classified into two types, simple ketones and mixed ketone. In simple ketone, the carbonyl group are occupied by the same kind of alkyl or aryl group. In mixed ketone, the carbonyl group is occupied by the two different alkyl or aryl group are called mixed ketone. Okay. Next point is naming the aldehyde, nomenclature of aldehydes. In nomenclature of aldehyde, the aldehydes are named in two ways, common name and IUPAC name. First one is common name and next one is IUPAC or IUPAC name. And common name are arrived due to the source of the compound, and common name is based on the name of carboxylic acid. Name of the carboxylic acid. Here oic acid, in this oic acid is replaced by the suffix aldehyde. In common naming of aldehyde, the name of the carboxylic acid, in carboxylic acid the oic acid is replaced by the suffix aldehyde. For example, in common naming of aldehyde, for example, this is our first member of aldehyde, then its name become the carboxylic name is methanoic acid. Methanoic acid. Here oic acid is replaced by the suffix aldehyde, then it become this is not methanoic acid, this is formic acid. In common name it is called formic acid. Here acid is replaced by the aldehyde, then it become formaldehyde. Okay, here the oic acid is replaced by the aldehyde. The next example, CH3 C11O H. Here the aldehyde contain two carbon atom, then it is called the corresponding carboxylic acid is acetic acid, then the oic acid is replaced by the aldehyde, then it become acetaldehyde. Here we are just replacing the oic acid of the aldehyde, carboxylic acid by the suffix aldehyde. The next CH3 CH2 CHO. This is the aldehyde which contain 3 carbon atom. Then 3 carbon atom carboxylic acid is called propanoic acid. Then its aldehydic name is become propionaldehyde. Then next example, CH3 CH2 CH2 CH2. It is contain 4 carbon atom. Then it become butyric acid for corresponding carboxylic acid. Then aldehyde become butyraldehyde. Butyraldehyde. Like this, the common name of the aldehydes are given. If the aldehydic chain contain substituent, for example, this is our longest parent chain. This is longest parent chain. Suppose to this carbon atom Br, bromine is attached. Then these substituents are named as a Greek letter like alpha, beta, gamma, eta, etc. This carbonyl carbon, two carbon atom attached to this carbon atom is called alpha carbon atom, and next is called beta, gamma, eta, like this. Then the name become, this is the beta carbon atom, then it become beta bromo. Here 1 2 1 2 3 4 5, 5 carbon atom, then it become pentanaldehyde. Okay, then it become pentanaldehyde. Like this we can name the aldehyde in common naming system. Okay, IUPAC naming the aldehyde. In IUPAC nomenclature of aldehyde, we have to follow all the organic IUPAC nomenclature rules, but in simple trick we can name like, in this IUPAC nomenclature of aldehyde, the E letter of the hydrocarbon, E of hydrocarbon is replaced by the Al, is called IUPAC nomenclature. If we see the example, E of the hydrocarbon is replaced by the Al, this is the IUPAC nomenclature system. If we see the example, this is our first aldehyde, then its hydrocarbon become methane. Here E of the hydrocarbon is replaced by the Al, then it become methanol. Okay, next second example, CH3 C double bond O H. This is 2 carbon atom, then the hydrocarbon name is ethane. In here E is replaced by the Al, then it become ethanol. Just we are going to replace the E of the corresponding hydrocarbon by the Al. Okay, next CH3 CH2 CH2. Here the 3 carbon atom, then it become propane. Here E is replaced by the Al, then it become propanol. Like similarly we can name the IUPAC name for the aldehyde. Okay, if it is attached to the aromatic ring, if benzene ring attached to the aldehydic functional group, then its name become benzaldehyde. If it is aldehyde, if it is substituent to the other group Br, then here the numbering should be start from the aldehydic functional group carbon. This is 1 2 3 4 5 6, then it become 2 bromo benzaldehyde. 2-bromo benzaldehyde. Like this, we can name the aldehydes in common name as well as in the IUPAC system. Okay.